Using scrap wood to create wooden decorative pieces and small furniture offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere aesthetics. This practice not only promotes a sustainable approach to woodworking, but also encourages creativity, resourcefulness, and economic savings. As individuals and businesses increasingly seek environmentally friendly alternatives, utilizing scrap can play a significant role in reducing waste while producing unique, handcrafted items that enhance any space. One of the most compelling benefits of using scrap wood is its contribution to sustainability. The woodworking industry generates a substantial amount of waste, with offcuts and leftover materials often discarded or burned. By repurposing this scrap wood, artisans and hobbyists can significantly reduce the environmental impact associated with lumber production. This practice helps to conserve resources by minimizing the need for new timber and reducing the carbon footprint linked to logging, transportation, and processing. In an era where sustainability is increasingly prioritized, using scrap wood aligns with eco-friendly values and practices. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden decorative pieces and small furniture ideas you can make with scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creativity flourishes when working with scrap wood. The diverse shapes, sizes, and textures of leftover materials can inspire innovative design solutions. Whether it's an oddly shaped piece of wood or a collection of smaller offcuts, each scrap can spark new ideas and artistic endeavors. This creative freedom allows woodworkers to experiment with different styles, techniques, and finishes, leading to one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect their personal style. The challenge of transforming what may seem like unusable material into functional or decorative items can ignite a sense of accomplishment and pride in the craftsmanship involved. The uniqueness of scrap wood pieces cannot be overstated. Each piece of wood carries its own history, character, and imperfections, which can add charm and personality to any creation. When using scrap wood, artisans often highlight the natural beauty of the material by incorporating knots, grain patterns, and color variations into their designs. These distinctive features set handmade items apart from mass-produced furniture, giving them a story and a sense of authenticity that resonates with consumers seeking individuality in their decor. In a world where uniformity often prevails, the ability to create truly unique pieces is a valuable asset. From an economic perspective, utilizing scrap wood can lead to significant cost savings. New lumber can be expensive, especially high-quality hardwoods. By sourcing materials from scrap wood, individuals can reduce their material costs while still creating beautiful items. This affordability can make woodworking more accessible to hobbyists and small business owners who may not have the budget for new materials. Additionally, the ability to create decorative pieces and furniture from scrap can open up opportunities for selling these items, providing a potential source of income or supplemental earnings. The process of working with scrap can also foster skill development. For novice woodworkers, engaging with scrap materials allows for experimentation without the fear of wasting expensive resources. This practice encourages learning through trial and error, helping individuals to refine their techniques and build confidence in their abilities. As they gain experience, they may discover new methods for joint construction, finishing, and design that can be applied to future projects, whether using scrap wood or new materials. In addition to skill development, using scrap wood can promote a sense of community among woodworkers. Many individuals and organizations are dedicated to sustainability and waste reduction, often sharing tips, techniques, and project ideas for working with scrap materials. This collaboration can lead to a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who support and inspire one another. Participating in workshops, online forums, or local makerspaces can enhance one's woodworking journey, fostering connections and collaborations that enrich the experience. The versatility of scrap wood is another significant benefit. It can be used to create a wide range of decorative pieces and small furniture items, from picture frames and wall art to shelves and stools. The adaptability of scrap wood means that it can be tailored to fit various styles, whether rustic, modern, or eclectic. This flexibility allows woodworkers to cater to different tastes and preferences, making their creations appealing to a broader audience. Beyond the tangible benefits, using scrap wood can also have a positive impact on mental well-being. Engaging in hands-on creative activities, such as woodworking, has been shown to reduce stress and promote mindfulness. The process of transforming scrap wood into beautiful pieces requires focus and attention, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the task at hand. This meditative quality can provide a sense of calm and fulfillment, making woodworking a therapeutic outlet for many. Moreover, the act of repurposing scrap wood can instill a deeper appreciation for materials and craftsmanship. As individuals work with these remnants, they become more attuned to the qualities of wood, learning to recognize its potential in various forms. This understanding can lead to a greater respect for nature and the resources we use, fostering responsible consumption habits. In terms of environmental impact, using scrap wood contributes to a circular economy. This approach emphasizes minimizing waste and maximizing the value of resources through reuse and recycling. By integrating scrap wood into their projects, woodworkers participate in this sustainable model, helping to reduce landfill waste and promote a more responsible approach to resource management. This commitment to sustainability can resonate with consumers who prioritize eco-friendly products, further enhancing the appeal of handmade wooden pieces. In addition to these environmental and personal benefits, the use of scrap wood can also support local economies. Many communities have wood recycling centers or local businesses that focus on repurposing materials. By sourcing scrap wood from these outlets, woodworkers can contribute to their local economy while supporting sustainable practices. This community-oriented approach can create a sense of connection to the materials and the people involved in the process, enriching the overall experience of woodworking. Furthermore, the popularity of DIY projects has surged in recent years, with many individuals seeking to personalize their living spaces through handmade items. Using scrap wood aligns perfectly with this trend, as it encourages creativity and resourcefulness. Many homeowners and renters appreciate the character and charm that comes with handmade decorative pieces and furniture, often preferring them over mass-produced alternatives. This demand for unique, handcrafted items can lead to increased opportunities for woodworkers who utilize scrap materials, whether through direct sales, craft fairs, or online marketplaces. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden decorative pieces and small furniture ideas you can make with scrap wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.